All right, so I got a new mailbox to share today. I needed something for the new property, so I decided I wanted an extra large one, and I did order this one myself. Now this has a very large door here in the front, as you can see, and you can even put smaller packages in here, which is really nice. And for just a quick demo of that, we'll throw that box in here. It also does have a flag on here. The flag is here in the front. You just pop it out. And this is approved by the Postmaster General, according to that. Now, as for the assembly, it's really easy to do. It only takes like 5 or 10 minutes to put this all together. And then you're going to use sand to weigh it down. I got about 30 pounds of sand here in the pedestal part itself, and I will be filling it up all the way. As for the bottom, it will hold, I don't know if it's another 40 or 50 pounds. Each side will hold 40 or 50, I can't remember for sure. And the combined weight is supposed to be around 100 pounds of sand. And I think you could actually get a little bit more depending on the type of sand you use and if you use concrete and stuff. And I just picked up this multi-purpose sand that was 60 pounds for a bag. Some of the other bags that were about the same size were like 40 and 50 pounds. This was the heaviest for the same volume. And I do want it to be pretty heavy. Now this also does come with a set of numbers that you can put down the side here where they can be visible. I don't really like the size of these, but this does have these large sections here on the side that I'm actually going to get those larger numbers, and I'm going to place them here on both sides of the mailbox. But if you're looking for a mailbox, really easy assembly, requires no digging whatsoever. You just fill it up with sand. It gets really heavy, so I guess if they do want to take it, they're going to work for it. It's really large, so it fits a lot of stuff in here, especially smaller packages, your mail, and it holds a lot more than your normal mailboxes. Now I'm going to take this and go get it set up and then get it filled up with sand. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.